Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make double crochet rows, a super useful stitch for blankets, scarves, and almost any crochet projects. So start with a slip knot and chain any number of stitches. I will chain 12 for this demo. Remember, don't chain too tight. You want the stitches to be easy to work to. To begin your first row, make 2 more chains. In crochet, a double crochet is approximately the same height as 2 chains. So to start every new row of double crochet, we need to chain 2 as the turning chain or the standing chain. So yarn over. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain from hook. Yarn over again and pull through the chain. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2. That's your first double crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Keep working 1 double crochet into each chain all the way across. Don't forget to count your stitches so your edges stay nice and straight. At the end of your row, chain 2. That's the height of your next row. Then turn your work like flipping a book page. That's why we call the chain 2 the turning chain. Now yarn over and double crochet into the very first stitch right here. Repeat that all the way across again. And that's it. Just keep repeating this to build your rows. Double crochet rows are great for building height quickly and creating soft, cozy textures. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will be back with the next tutorial.